Before you start your therapy, you'll need to understand how to set up and use your equipment. But don't worry, ResMed Air Solutions makes things easy, so it won't take long to explain. First, take the device out of its bag. Connect the power supply and plug it in. You'll then need to connect the air tubing. Every AirSense 10 and AirCurve 10 device can be used with either the Slimline tube or ResMed's new ClimateLine Air heated tube. Simply connect your chosen tubing to the back of the device and attach your mask. Your device is now ready to use. All that's left to do is press start and enjoy a great night's sleep. With your device set up, it's now time to find out how it works. You'll see it has a display screen, a navigation dial, a start-stop button, and a home button. My Options lets you view and personalize your therapy settings, while Sleep Report automatically generates a summary of your last therapy session when you press stop. Your device is designed to deliver automatic comfort throughout the night, so just plug it in and you're ready to go. Each device also has a built-in ambient light sensor that adjusts the brightness of the screen based on the light in the room, while the screen's backlight turns off automatically, allowing you and your partner to rest easy throughout the night. ResMed's new Auto Ramp feature with sleep onset detection helps make therapy comfortable from the moment you press start. It works by delivering a low pressure to help you fall asleep with ease, then comfortably increases the pressure to your prescribed level the moment you fall asleep. ResMed Air Solutions, a new beginning in great sleep.